Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host, and we're diving into the latest developments on electric vehicles. A recent move by President Trump's administration has many wondering if they'll be able to claim a crucial tax credit for their new EVs. The Environmental Protection Agency is reconsidering tailpipe emissions regulations that encourage automakers to build more electric vehicles. However, the rules are still standing, at least for now. Another program, though, could be on the chopping block: the federal tax credit of up to $7,500 for new EVs and up to $4,000 for used ones. The tax credit is enshrined in law, but Republicans in Congress are pushing to make that change. Senator John Barrasso from Wyoming introduced a bill to repeal the credits, citing concerns about constituents footing the bill for expensive electric cars they can't afford. However, experts say the credit's impact is more nuanced than that. The tax credit was designed to boost domestic manufacturing, and as a result, car makers built more EV assembly lines and battery plants in the U.S., mostly in Republican districts. This means the credits have already had a significant effect on local economies, with many jobs created and economic activity boosted. So, what does this mean for would-be EV buyers? Some states offer their own incentives, and car makers are offering discounts to sweeten the deal. However, as the rules change, it's becoming increasingly clear that the federal tax credit is a crucial factor in driving sales. ElectroDrive News will continue to monitor these developments and bring you updates on the latest EV news. But for now, one thing is certain: electric vehicles are here to stay, and policymakers would do well to listen to the experts and the people who actually buy them.